was just a wow, he's amazing! Oh no! Oh my god, it's so cute! Look at him go! No, cameraman, stop the camera! No, cameraman, stop the camera! Stop the camera! Oh, thank God! Oh my God! Oh, he's so cute! He just won't stop! Oh, he stopped. Oh gosh, thank God! I was starting to cry. It was so cute. Do it, do it, Big Bird, do it! Oh, you jerk! He drank his bathwater. Wouldn't you? If I saw something that cute, I'd drink its bathwater too. I'd be like, I need to consume some of that cuteness. And she stood up. Sorry. God, they were really close.